my channel, today I have an unboxing for you. I just got it. Well, I just got it and then I came home and cooked lunch for my daughter and did a bunch of things that needed to get done, and I'm like dying to open this and film this in front of you. My God, I can't believe I got this. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I do videos on luxury bags and lifestyle and travel. And if you've been following me for a while, you know my last video I talked about my 2022 luxury wish list. And within that list of a bunch of stuff that I said, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, I don't care. Well, one of the things is this one, and I did not expect it. My sister and I went, before we get on with my chit chat, I'm gonna unbox this for you so that you see right away what it is. Oh my God. This is true unboxing. Of course, I saw it at the store. I'm gonna push this down so you can see. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Whew, so nervous. Okay. Oop. Oh, bless you. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Okay. So oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. So Happy New Year to everybody. So today is Chinese New Year, and basically I went to Neiman Marcus, and I went there because I wanted to order the Van Cleef necklace that I talked about on my wish list. And I went, I think last weekend, and they're so short on supplies at Van Cleef. And so the necklace that I want, they didn't have. So the lady said that I had to put my name down and pay up front. And then when it comes in, I can come and pick it up. And then if I don't like it, I can return it. I didn't want to put my money up front. So I didn't buy it. So I went again today to see if supply came in or not. And it wasn't there, and it was a different sales associate, and she said I could put my name down. If it comes in, she'll give me a call, but there's a wait list. Okay, so there's a wait list. If it happens, if it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know how I feel about that. So then we just kind of stopped by Chanel store at Neiman Marcus, and I wanted to see if they had the reissue Chevron or reissue Navy, and of course they didn't have it. They had this sort of corally color reissue mini, and I wanted the mini, and she said, oh, but we also have the mini with handle that's lambskin. And I said, I don't want lambskin, and I don't want and she said, oh, we have it in blue. And she sent me a picture of blue before, and for this season, and it was a light blue. I don't do light blue, light pink. That is not my color. So I said, no, I'm not interested in light blue. And she said, oh no, this isn't light blue, it's blue. So then she said, here, it just just got released. And she showed it to me, and I said, done. Sold. All right. Oh my God, I can't even, I'm like choking on words here. Okay, so this is Chanel mini with handle, lambskin. And when I told her that I wasn't interested in lambskin because I don't want to baby the bag, and I want to just be able to use it, and I'm looking for caviar, and she says they don't have caviar. We all know that, right? I knew that. They only had caviar with handle the first season. I think that was last year. If I'm wrong about this, just let me know in the description box below. And so, but then she showed me her little bag that all the sales associates carry. And she said, this is lambskin. And we're doing lambskin differently now. It's much more robust. And she had me feel it. And I felt it before. And then I did a YouTube short on it. And it's like, I felt not this bag, but it was a different lambskin bag. And then I felt like a Tory Burch bag the same day. And I said, it feels like Tory Burch. I made a flippin' little YouTube short. And honestly, probably true, But this color, oh my gosh. I actually wanted the navy blue, much darker blue. That's almost, but then I also didn't want it to look like too dark so that it almost looks black, because I feel like I have enough black bags. But I also have the cocoa handle, and I didn't want it to clash with that or to be too similar to that. In fact, I'm going to bring it out and show it to you. But this is lambskin. She said it's much more durable, much more robust, and it feels like calfskin. And it's with champagne gold hardware. I thought it was silver, but I can see in this light that it could be. And the reason why I brought this out is because I have this, which I was wearing today. And so, you know what? This looks silver. I think she's wrong. This is champagne gold, and it has champagne gold. I don't know. Let me see. It says it's dark blue, mini flap with top handle, gold metal. So it does say gold metal. So I brought this one out to show you the comparison between my silver hardware and gold hardware. There is slight, oh my gosh, that's very slight difference between this silver and this gold. But it's a very light gold. It almost looks silver. Okay. It's got a back pocket, top handle. You can't really put your hand through it. And then it's got a zippered pocket here and another slip pocket here. And then it's just, completely open. And it's, instead of a card, authenticity card, they have this little electronic chip. And what she did is she scanned this when I was purchasing it, which in my profile, it would have this, what it is. So, and she said, don't lose this. And she says, if whoever, if you scan that, you'll know what it is, and it should match this bag. So, let me tell you the story about how I got it. So we went there, like I said, and so she said, it just got released. Somebody reserved it. And so it wasn't available over the weekend, because I was kind of shopping with my daughter for her stuff over the weekend. And the line to Chanel was so long, I didn't even go in. Thank God I didn't go in, because if I went in over the weekend, I wouldn't have gotten in again today. And today's Tuesday. Okay, so she said, when you put your bag on reserve, they'll contact you either via text or phone call, or I think probably text. And then if you don't come in to pay for it within 48 hours, it gets released to whoever wants to buy it. It just got released this morning. I went in at around 11:30 or 11 o'clock. This was released, and I said, okay, sold, ding. I think Jerusha says that. I'm like, oh my God. And okay, I'm gonna bring my other, so it's a true blue, like blue jean blue. Look, this is my blue jean. And I felt like in different light, this can look dark or light. Okay, so this is a color difference between my cocoa handle and my mini with handle. The cocoa handle is a little bit bigger, and this is not a review on cocoa handle, but it fits a little more as well. Yeah, it fits a lot more. Cocoa handle fits. This is cocoa handle mini or small. Now it's called small. And this is with age gold hardware. All right, so I think it's different enough. As I was buying this, one of the things that I was considering is, do I have anything else like it that's similar? And I had to say no. So I don't have lambskin in Chanel. This is my very first lambskin. And then I was thinking, do I have enough? It's like, is it too close to my other blue? So I brought out my other blues. So this, which you saw. The other bag that's kind of similar is this, but it's much bigger, right? Which I was wearing today. But that's black. And this Very different vibe. And then my other blue is this, which is like that blue jean. It's very, I think it's different. So I'm like trying to show you based on different color lighting. So I felt like in certain lights, when it was a little bit darker light, it almost looked navy. In certain other lights, it almost looked like true blue with a little bit of aqua color underneath. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think it's too similar to my other bags? I mean, I'm not gonna take off anything. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I'd love to hear your opinion. Is this a definite keep? Or it's like, Maggie, this color, oh, it's awful. All right, so one of the things I want to talk to you about, you know, I just don't do unboxing just for unboxing's sake, is one, this lambskin feels more robust. Two, the price, I was like, maybe I should, I was originally thinking I wanted the caviar leather. Remember I said I wanted caviar leather? But God knows when caviar leather is gonna come out. And by then, God knows what the price is gonna be. These on resale market, I was just checked in Fashion File real quick, is going, depending on the color, mid 6,000 to 7,000. The first time I bought a bag that's like around 5,000 was my Chanel Jumbo. It was like 5,500 or something. And I remember thinking, like, I was so nervous. And I was kind of nervous. Maybe I'm like, is it true we get jaded? Let me know what you think. Do we get jaded after we get into luxury bags for a while? Do we get jaded about these? I mean, these are crazy prices. I mean, if you told me 20 years ago that I would be spending this kind of money on a bag, I'd be like, you're crazy. You're crazy. But here we are. That said, this is not, I was gonna say, I put it on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should, because Instagram stories is where I put a lot of like, this is what's happening, that it was a Happy New Year present. But then my husband says, happy birthday, which is true. My birthday is coming, it's a few days later. So this is my birthday present for me. Yes, yes. So let me talk to you about what I checked. It's awful that we have to check these things, but when you buy Chanel bags, make sure you check whether the flap is even. All the quilts line up just right. I have seen pictures of where this side is a little bit lower and that side is higher. And the other thing I was checking is to make sure all the stitching on the corners looked all okay. I did notice this little indentation right here, but that's gonna happen as I wear it, so I don't really care. And just make sure there's no glue residue anywhere, that the glazing here is even. I was checking that. I mean, it's awful that we do have to do this, but there you have it. This right here, I gotta make sure that they're evenly done, which it was. All right, so that's it, guys. What else do I want to show you? I think that's it. All right, thank you so much for joining me. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload more videos. Guys, thank you so much. Bye. Happy New Year.